In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a sump pump check valve. I woke up to this morning, a broken check valve on my sump pump, and you can see it made quite a mess. I woke up this morning to the sound of a washing machine draining into a laundry tub. When I checked the washing machine, it wasn't running. Now I had to investigate. As soon as I opened the door to the crawl space, I knew what it was. In my crawl space. Okay, what happened was the check valve broke and water was pumping out into the crawl space. So I'm going to show you how to change this valve. It's very easy. What the valve does is keep the water that's in the pipe from coming back into the pit. I'm using a 5/16 nut driver on a drill to loosen the hose clamps. Okay, I have an 1.5 inch PVC pipe, 1.5 inches. The valve that was on here was an 1.25 inch valve, and they used a rubber adapter to go from 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches. So I'm going to go, I don't like going from big to small. I'd rather go from small to bigger and back down to the small. So I bought a 2-inch check valve. Okay, came with this rubber seal. I'm not going to use that. I bought a 2-inch to 1.5 inch reducer, rubber seal. 2-inch to 1.5 inches. You don't have to glue anything. All you have to do is slide the rubber seals over the pipe, tighten the clamps, and you're ready to go. First thing I'll do is take this rubber seal off here. I'm going to slide this one onto the 1.5 inch. I'll take my other fitting. Slide that on the 1.5 inch part. There is a flow direction. Okay, you can see that flap in there. So you want the water to go through this way, and then the pressure of the water coming back to close the valve. Should be a directional right there. It'll have arrows. It says flow upward. So that's the way we're going to put the valve in, just like that. All I have to do is put this piece on here, that piece there. I'm going to rearrange the pump in the pit because the pump just sets inside the pit. I want to try to make sure this is in a straight line so we don't put pressure on this. You don't want it at an angle. Now that everything's together, all I have to do is tighten the valves, tighten the clamps, okay, you can see the pit filled all the way up. Now I can plug the pump back in. Make sure we have no leaks. There we go. No leaks. lot of water coming through. We've had a lot of rain in Indiana, northwest Indiana. Incidentally, what it sounded like when I got up this morning, it sounded like a washing machine draining into a laundry tub. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, visit me on Facebook. Until next time, thank you for watching.